यो नमः हरिः ॐ। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत ऋषभे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः। यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तया नस्तनुवा शन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीली। यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे। शिवान् गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि पुंसि पुरुषैं जगत्। शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्चावदामसि। यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना अससत्। अद्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक्। अहीगश्च सर्वा आञ्जम्भयन् सर्वा आश्रयातु धान्यः। असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः। ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रिताः सहस्रशो वै शागुं हेड ईमहे। असौ यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः। उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः। उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः। नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे। अतो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः। प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोराग्नियोर्जाम्। याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा। अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशतेषु ते। निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव। विजन्धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत। अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः। याते हेतिर्मीडुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः। तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज। नमस्ते अस्वायुधायानातताय धृष्णवे। उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने। परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तु विश्वतः। अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम्। नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः। नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये। नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये। नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्रिशीमते पतीनां पतये। नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय विव्याधिनेम्नानां पतये। नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये। नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये। नमो नमो रुद्रायातताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये। नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये। नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये। नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये। नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्वृताय औषधीनां पतये। नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्नीनां पतये। नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः। नमः सहमानाय निर्व्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये। पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिने सेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन शिशुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रीकाविभ्यो जिगागुंसभ्यो पुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सिमभ्यो नक्तञ्चलभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय गुरुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः शिशुमभ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजभ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यभ्यो विद्यभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो चाकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो कृत्सेभ्यो कृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रिभ्यः सङ्ग्रहीतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शितिविष्टाय च नमो मीरुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वये च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीघ्राय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्धियाय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरताय च नमः शूराय चावभिन्धते च नमो वर्णिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्लिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय चाहनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो धूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीत्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय चावट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय चावर्ष्याय च नमो मेद्याय च विद्युद्याय च नमः ईन्द्रियाय चातप्याय च नमो वाट्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुवाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः साम्राय चारुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्काराय नमः शम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्त्याय च पूर्व्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आधार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्ट्याय च फेण्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः हिरण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमः सल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेष्ट्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय चाभिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वह्निकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः आनिर्भकेभ्यो नमः आमीभकेभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रनीललोहित येषां पुरुषाणाम् येषां पशूनां माधेर्मारोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनु शिवा विश्वाहवेशजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयवीराय प्रपरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रोतनो मयस्कृति क्षयवीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्चयोश्च मनुराय चेपिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रप्रणीतौ मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमानमुक्षितम् मानोवतीः पितरं मोदमातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषिमानो गोषिमानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वदेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आराते गोघ्न उदपूरुषग्ने क्षयवीराय सुन्नमस्मेते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अनिति च देव गृह्यता च नः शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः स्तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहत्नुमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्त्यामकवध्यस्तनुष्वमीन्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मीडुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निकाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रता बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराशीनामुखाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्मिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिकाशः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पतां पथिरक्षय ऐलवृतायव्युतः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति सृकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः यः एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्या येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणा दश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यद्विष्णो यश्च नो वेष्टितं वोजम्भे ददामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सुय ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वामहेसौ मनसाय रुद्रन्नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वदेशजोऽयं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः अग्ना विष्णु सजोषसे मा वर्धन्तु मां गिरः द्युम्नैर्वाजेभिरागतम् वाचश्च मे प्रसवश्च मे प्रयतिश्च मे प्रसिद्धिश्च मे नीतिश्च मे क्रतुश्च मे स्वरश्च मे श्लोकश्च मे श्रावश्च मे श्रुतिश्च मे ज्योतिश्च मे सुवश्च मे प्राणश्च मे पानश्च मे व्यानश्च मे सुश्च मे चित्तं च आधीतं च मे वाक् च मे मनश्च मे चक्षुश्च मे श्रोत्रं च मे दक्षश्च मे बलं च ओजश्च मे सहश्च आयुश्च मे जरा च आत्मा च मे धनुश्च मे शर्म च मे वर्म च मे गानि च मे स्थानि च मे परुगुंषि च मे शरीराणि च मे ज्येष्ठं च आधिपत्यं च मे मन्युश्च मे भामश्च मे वश्च मे वश्च मे जेमा च मे महिमा च मे वरिमा च मे प्रतिमा च मे वश्मा च मे ग्राहुया च मे वृद्धं च मे वृद्धिश्च मे सत्यं च मे श्रद्धा च मे जगच्च मे धनं च मे वशश्च मे कृषिश्च मे क्रीडा च मे मोदश्च मे जातं च मे जनिष्यमाणं च मे सूक्तं च मे सुकृतं च मे वित्तं च मे वेद्यं च मे भूतं च मे भविष्यत् च मे सुखं च मे सुपतं च मरुद्धं च मरुद्धिश्च मे कृतं च मे कृत्तिश्च मे मतिश्च मे सुमतिश्च मे क्षं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे कामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे भर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोष्ट मे प्रसोष्ट मे श्रीरं च मे रयश्च मृतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ऊर्च मे सुकृता च मे पयश्च मे रसश्च मे घृतं च मे मधु च मे शक्तिश्च मे सपीतिश्च मे ऋषिश्च मे वृष्टिश्च मे जैत्रं च औद्भिद्यं च मे रयिश्च मे रायश्च मे पुष्टं च मे पुष्टिश्च मे विभु च मे प्रभु च मे बहु च मे भूयश्च मे पूर्णं च मे पूर्णतरं च मे क्षितिश्च मे पूयवाश्च मे नैं च मे शुच्च मे व्रीहयश्च मे यवाश्च मे माशाश्च मे तिलाश्च मे मुद्राश्च मे खल्वाश्च मे गोधूमाश्च मे मसुराश्च मे प्रियङ्कवश्च मे नवश्च मे श्यामाकाश्च मे नीवाराश्च मे अश्मा च मे मृत्तिका च मे गिरयश्च मे पर्वताश्च मे सिकताश्च मे वनस्पतयश्च मे हिरण्यं च मे यश्च मे सीसं च मे प्रपुश्च मे श्यामं च मे लोहं च मे ग्निश्च आपश्च मे वीरुधश्च ओषधयश्च मे कृष्णपच्यं च मे पृष्ठपच्यं च मे ग्राम्याश्च मे पशव आरण्याश्च यज्ञेन कल्पन्तां वित्तं च मे वित्तिश्च मे भूतं च मे भूतिश्च मे वसु च मे वसतिश्च मे कर्म च मे शक्तिश्च मे अर्थश्च एमश्च इतिश्च मे गतिश्च मे अग्निश्च इन्द्रश्च मे सोमश्च इन्द्रश्च मे सविता च इन्द्रश्च मे सरस्वती च इन्द्रश्च मे पूषा च इन्द्रश्च मे बृहस्पतिश्च इन्द्रश्च मे मित्रश्च इन्द्रश्च मे वरुणश्च इन्द्रश्च मे त्वष्टा च इन्द्रश्च मे धाता च इन्द्रश्च मे विष्णुश्च इन्द्रश्च मे श्विनौ च इन्द्रश्च मे मरुतश्च इन्द्रश्च मे विश्वे च मे देवा इन्द्रश्च मे पृथिवी च इन्द्रश्च मे अन्तरिक्षं च इन्द्रश्च मे द्यौश्च इन्द्रश्च मे दिशश्च इन्द्रश्च मे मूर्धा च इन्द्रश्च मे प्रजापतिश्च इन्द्रश्च मे अग्निश्च मे रश्मिश्च मे लाभ्यश्च मे धिपतिश्च उपागुंश्च मे दर्यामश्च ऐन्द्रवायवश्च मे मैत्रावरुणश्च आश्विनश्च मे प्रतिप्रस्थानश्च मे शुक्रश्च मे मन्त्री च आग्रहणश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे ध्रुवश्च मे वैश्वानरश्च ऋतुग्रहाश्च मे तिग्राह्याश्च ऐन्द्राग्नश्च मे वैश्वदेवश्च मे मरुद्गीयाश्च मे माहेन्द्रश्च आदित्यश्च मे सावित्रश्च मे सारस्वतश्च मे पौष्णश्च मे मे, पात्मीवतश्च मे, आर्योजनश्च मे। इद्मश्च मे वर्हिश्च मे वेदिश्च मे तिष्णियाश्च मे सृजश्च मे चमसाश्च मे ग्रावाणश्च मे स्वरवश्च म उपरवाश्च मे ऋषभणे च मे द्रोणकलशश्च मे वायव्यानि च मे पूतमृच्च म आधवनीयश्च म आग्नेयीध्रं च मे हविर्धानं च मे गृहाश्च मे सदश्च मे पुरोडाशाश्च मे पचताश्च मे वभृतश्च मे स्वगाकारश्च मे अग्निश्च मे घर्मश्च मे अर्कश्च मे सूर्यश्च मे प्राणश्च मे श्वमेधश्च मे पृथिवी च मे दितिश्च मे दितिश्च मे द्यौश्च मे शक्वरीरङ्गुलयो दिशश्च मे यज्ञेन कल्पन्तामृच्च मे साम च मे सोमश्च मे यजुश्च मे दीक्षा च मे तपश्च म ऋतुश्च मे व्रतं च मे होरात्रयोः वृष्ट्या बृहत्कृतन्तरे च मे यज्ञेन कल्पेताम् गर्भाश्च मे वत्साश्च मे त्रयविश्च मे त्रयवी च मे द्वितीयवाच्च मे द्वितीयौही च मे पञ्चाविश्च मे पञ्चावी च मे त्रिवत्सश्च मे त्रिवत्सा च मे तुर्यवाच्च मे तुर्यौही च मे पष्ठवाच्च मे पष्ठौही च म उक्षा च मे वशा च म वृषभश्च मे वेहच्च मे नड्वाई च मे धेनुश्च म आयुर्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् प्राणो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् अपानो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् व्यानो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् चक्षुर्यज्ञेन कल्पताम् श्रोत्रं यज्ञेन कल्पताम् मनो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् वाक् यज्ञेन कल्पताम् आत्मा यज्ञेन कल्पताम् यज्ञो यज्ञेन कल्पताम् एका च मे तिस्रश्च मे पञ्च च मे सप्त च मे नव च म एकादश च मे त्रयोदश च मे पञ्चदश च मे सप्तदश च मे नवदश च म एकविंशतिश्च मे त्रयोविंशतिश्च मे पञ्चविंशतिश्च मे सप्तविंशतिश्च मे नवविंशतिश्च म एकत्रिंशच्च मे त्रयस्त्रिंशच्च मे चतस्रश्च मे षष्टौ च मे द्वादश च मे षोडश च मे विंशतिश्च मे चतुर्विंशतिश्च मे अष्टाविंशतिश्च मे द्वात्रिंशच्च मे षट्त्रिंशच्च मे चत्वारिंशच्च मे चतुश्चत्वारिंशच्च मे अष्टाचत्वारिंशच्च मे वाजश्च प्रसवश्चाप्निचश्च क्रतुश्च सुवश्च मूर्धाश्च व्यश्नियश्चान्त्यायनश्चान्त्यश्च भुवनश्च भुवनश्चाधिपतिश्च ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
यदक्षरपरभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराधसहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरिः ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
अपार करुणा सिंधु कृपा सिंधु दया सिंधु
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 अगणित गुण गणधामा आत्मा रामानंद रामा
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 भाष्पवारि परिपूर्ण लोचनम
बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम्
भाष्पवारि परिपूर्ण लोचनम
बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम्
मारुतिं भजे राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
मारुतिं भजे राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
मारुतिं भजे राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
मारुतिं भजे राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
भक्त जन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
भक्तजन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
भक्त जन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
भक्तजन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
अपार करुणा सिंधु कृपा सिंधु दया सिंधु
अपार करुणा सिंधु कृपा सिंधु दया सिंधु
अगणित गुण गणधामा आत्मा रामानंद रामा
अगणित गुण गणधामा आत्मा रामानंद रामा
भाष्पवारि परिपूर्ण लोचनम
बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनम्
मारुतिं भजे राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
मारुतिं भजे राम 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 सीता राम 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 राजा राम राम राम
भक्त जन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
भक्तजन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
भक्त जन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
भक्तजन प्रिय साई राम सत्य साई राम पति साई राम
अपार करुणा सिंधु कृपा सिंधु दया
One day in Puttaparthi, Sai was born. 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 And with his coming, the new age has dawned. And with his coming, the new age has dawned. And with his coming, the new age has dawned. And with his coming, the new age has dawned. He lit the flames of light and love. 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 He taught us God is in our hearts. 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 Swami, you taught us to love all and serve all. Swami, you taught us to love all and serve all. Swami, you taught us to love all and serve all. Swami, you taught us to love all and serve all. So help us awake, arise, ascend. 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 So let's awake, arise, ascend. So let's awake, arise, ascend. So let's awake, arise, ascend. One day in Puttaparthi, Sai was born. One day in Puttaparthi, Sai was born. And with his coming, the new age has dawned. And with his coming, the new age has dawned. He lit the flames of light and love. He lit the flames of light and love. He taught us God is in our hearts. He taught us God is in our hearts. Swami, you taught us to love all and serve all. Swami, you taught us to love all and serve all. So help us awake, arise, ascend. So help us awake, arise, ascend. So let's 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 awake, arise, ascend. One day in Puttaparthi, Sai was born.
हे अनाथ नाथ साई तुम हो अंतर्यामी। 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 तुम हो मेरे भगवान।
कोटि ब्रह्मांड साई अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड साई परमेश्वरा परतीश्वरा परमेश्वरा परतीश्वरा प्राणेश्वरा साईश्वरा प्राणेश्वरा साईश्वरा करुणाकरा करुणामया करुणाकरा करुणामया प्रशांति साई सुंदरा प्रशांति साई सुंदरा अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड साई आनंददायी साई परमेश्वरा परतीश्वरा प्राणेश्वरा साईश्वरा करुणाकरा करुणामया प्रशांति साई सुंदरा प्रशांति साई सुंदरा अखिलांड कोटि ब्रह्मांड
provide shoes for him. And he said, he would say, it doesn't matter the size because they'll grow or shrink to any size to fit my feet. And that's how he managed to keep shoes on his feet. And I just about fell down. I felt like, did I miss Shirdi Baba coming here in Hartford and asking for shoes and I turned him down? It was just unbelievable. I was devastated. And so I had to live with that for a while until many years later when I read the book again, Sai Satcharita, and I read the entire book and did not come across that story anywhere in the book. And that was Swami's little gift to me to read it that night, to know that I had missed serving someone. So the second story is I had gone to North Carolina because my sister had called and said my mom, who was in a nursing home, had had several strokes. And really, it would be imperative for us to come and see her. And so I had made a trip there, saw my mother, stayed with her actually for a week, and came back. And I had just arrived back on a Wednesday night. And the Thursday morning was our garbage day. And so we were putting out the garbage. And I had the door open, the back door, and the garbage would be out on the street. And in through the back door walks a woman. And she's saying, I want some breakfast. What can you feed me? I was just appalled. I was in the middle of this grieving stage over my mother. She hadn't passed yet, but she was close. And this woman is walking in. So I said, well, I have some bread and I have some oatmeal I could make you. And she says, no, I want hot chocolate. I said, I don't have any hot chocolate. And then I shooed her out of the house. Go, 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 you can get food at the shelters, and I even told her where they were. So she's walking down the driveway and I came out with bags of garbage to put out on the street. And I saw her walk towards the end of the driveway, still turning back and looking at me. And then I kind of said very loudly, my mother's dying, as though that were some excuse not to serve people. But at any rate, she walked away. And that was the last I saw of her. So during stressful times, Swami sometimes shows up to see how true you are to his message. So another story in lineage to that is that I was driving to school. I was 15 minutes away. I was in a hurry because I had to get there right on time. And I sit down at the piano and play for singers. So I couldn't be late. No one could do what I was doing in my place. And so I just left enough time, even though Swami says start early, drive safely and slowly, and arrive on time. And I was in a big hurry. And on the sidewalk, I watched, I would call her a Jamaican woman. She had green on and a turban. That's sort of how I remember her. And through the car window, I looked at her, and her eye penetrated my eye with a flash. And then she dropped to the ground. And I'm like, oh gosh, I have to be at school. What am I supposed to do? Someone will find her. That's what I said. This is very embarrassing, you have to know. So I went on to school, and then my guilt got the better of me, and I turned around and went back. And of course, she was gone. So that being the third story, I felt like Peter, who had completely betrayed Jesus by denying him 3 times. And after denying him, the cock crowed 3 times to mean that Jesus had already prophesied that that would happen and that he knew what Peter had done. I had so much guilt. I can't even tell you how many years of that I lived with. And then one day we went to Puttaparthi. It was a 2-week trip. And this is many years after. And when we finished our tour there, and it was the last day of our stay in Puttaparthi, not a tour, we were in Puttaparthi the whole time. On the last day, in the meantime, I have to say this, that 2 sisters there had told us the story of one Christmas. And they decided to do a mock-up of the disciples in cardboard, life-size figures in cardboard of the disciples. And so they had all these disciples out. And they were telling this story. And Baba came by and looked at all the disciples, and he pointed out Peter and he said, "Peter, cheater." And when the two sisters told this story, I was just petrified that I was doomed for all eternity, that I had turned down Swami 3 times. You can't even imagine the guilt that I felt. So here comes the last darshan before we were leaving. And during that last darshan, in the whole time, there were bhajans going on, and the whole feeling of the guilt was lifting. And I just found myself singing Shivoham, 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 Shiva. And I just knew, I am Shiva, I am Shiva. None of this personality stuff matters. And the whole thing got lifted. If it hadn't come up from Baba, it never would have been lifted any other way. It was buried so deeply in my psyche. Only divinity could have possibly lifted that from me. Then after the third experience and this whole guilt trip with Peter, we did at that time, and we did for 25 years, monthly service to a food shelter. And so we would go and serve lunch. And at the Mercy Shelter, we all had arrived there and served the food. Everyone had gone through the line. And it was in a basement room, and down the stairs walked one more person. Even our people were at this point were sitting down eating, and I was not, because I couldn't take the dressing on the salad and various other reasons. So I was still behind the counter, the only one behind the counter. So this person came in quite late, and there was a little bit of macaroni. I wouldn't say a little. I would say 2 people's worth of macaroni and cheese left in the bowl to be served. And so he came up, and again, he was quite large, 6.5 feet or something. He was quite large. And I said, "Would you like some food?" "Yes." So I took about half, or maybe 3/4, put it on a plate and handed it to him, and in my mind saying Sairam. And then I looked, and there was just a little bit left. And I said, "Would you like the rest of the food? There's this much left, and I believe you're the last person." "Yes." I put it on his plate. He held the plate there, and he looked at me and he said, "We don't waste food, and we don't waste time." And I thought, I don't know of any homeless person that would say that. That was Swami. I just looked up at him, because I had been looking down at the plate, looked up at him, and then he walked away with his plate. I don't know where he went after that. I never saw him again. That was an amazing climax to the whole many years worth of stories. Swami is both inside and outside of us. And I think for many of us, the inside part of Swami is much easier to access, because through meditation or through saying his name, seeing his form, we can access, or let's say that he is available to us. He doesn't come every single time, but he is available to us when we are close to him. So we take a step towards him, he'll take 100 towards us. So the inner access is much easier. The outer part of seeing Swami in all is much harder, I believe, because we know personalities whom we spend time with, and it's harder to see Swami in people that we've known for a while and have some, mental or emotional connection with. And so Swami is both inner and outer, and we have to do the work to recognize both of those. That is who Swami is. Everything. He once held his hand open and asked a close by devotee what was in his hand, and the fellow said, "Nothing." And he goes, "No, not nothing. Everything is in this palm." So he is everything. He has told us that the 2 banks of the river are his name and his form. So the mind can get bored very, very easily. So to say his name until the mind gets bored, and then you can move over to the form. You can practice, or I do try practicing seeing Swami in every being, but that I would say is the trickiest thing. And then also meditation practice works when you're just still and you're not expecting anything. Just being aware so that your awareness is available, but it's not clogged up with your own thoughts and past habits and emotions. So those are the practices that I use, I think, for the last 2 years I've been trying really hard every morning to get up and honor Swami in that way. And I've held true. I wouldn't say I kept the time necessarily, but I've held true to the practice as much as I could. One of the things that he talks about is non-identifying. So neti neti. And we are practicing learning how not to, first of all, be the body. So it's kind of a long process where we're non-identifying with the body by regulating our diet, perhaps, exercise, those type of things. Keeping fit because we want the instrument to be in good shape for the spirit that eventually, it does move us, but we eventually recognize as moving us all the time. And so not identifying with the body, I believe, would become the first step. You hear stories of people who are practicing in cold climates, going without coats and wandering around, and only by their concentrated thought and attention, keeping their bodies warm. So I do remember recently waking up from sleep in the morning when I had this sense that who I was behind this head. And I felt as though the head and the body were a doll. And it was fleeting, but it seemed really, really significant. And I do try to keep remembering that. So non-identification with the body, then with the mind and emotions. And those are probably even more difficult because we have habits of the mind that have continued through many, many lifetimes. And those are easily seen when we come into contact with other people. All of our quirks and habits come to the fore. If we can step back and say, oh, that is my mind saying that, but is that me? So you're not identifying with the mind at that point. And that's one of the reasons meditation is so useful, is because you practice watching the thoughts go by, and then you can say, oh, is that who I am? Maybe not. So you're just watching your own thoughts. I'm hoping that over time, that practice will eventually lead me to be there all the time. We had a friend who has since passed away, Ved Prakash, and he used to say that the electricity to be actually working and to make the light has to have a constant connection. So even if there's a break for a moment, it flickers, but that constant connection will create the flow of electricity. And in the same way, we have to create that flow by being constantly connected to divinity. Plenty of ups and downs, especially currently in life on the outside. And so by centering oneself more and more on the inside and seeing ourselves as the straight streak of lightning brilliance, which is in the Vedas, which Swami expounded to some devotees, by recognizing that as our true self, those moving outer parts become less significant. And so we see this, the mind on the surface and the emotions a little further in. But as we get closer to the center, we realize that center is the heart, and inside the heart is that straight streak of lightning brilliance.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare
परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिं परमार्थ इष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानं भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि साई भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि।
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।